Traders, welcome back to another video. Today is a Tuesday and we're finishing up the day green, $250. To begin with, I traded Apple. Now, as you can see before market open, Apple looked very bearish. It was kind of wedging to the upside and I was anticipating a move down. We never got a move down and instead we started climbing up. Climbing up, and at market open right here, there was a lot of false moves. It looked like it was going to come down, it looked like it was going to go up, it came back down, and it started finding its trend. So I took a position on AAPL at 256.46. So 256.46. So right about there. Now, going over a bit of my analysis on this trade, why did I take it? First of all, it was creating a series of higher lows. It also had a resistance to the upside. So I knew if I was going to get into this trade, I had a profit target that I was going to be looking for. I took small shares on this trade. And I was just looking for a scalp. I really wasn't looking for nothing too crazy, but I ended up taking my partial. I ended up taking my partial right about here. And then I let some shares ride, and then we just had a continuation. I ended up selling that, I think, on this red candle over here. But overall, it was a good scalp. It was a good idea. Um, Now, what I could have done better is look for more entries onto this trade. Like after this, after it came over its resistance and had a consolidation above, this would have been a fantastic trade right here. Would have been a fantastic trade looking for the 250 break, 258 break, and it just would have been a great idea. So nothing wrong here, nothing wrong here. I was looking for a scalp. I got my scalp. Um, what I could have done better is look for more trades. More trades were available, but I was taking other stocks, so it kind of evens each other out, you know. So now I took a BA trade. I took a BA trade at 155.50 short. So 155.50. So this was also another scalp. As you can see, it was not the greatest idea. There's a level of resistance right here, now acting as a support. So I was kind of betting on the trend. It was above VWAP, but I wasn't asking for too much at the end of the day. I wasn't risking much and I wasn't looking to make much either. So I immediately took a partial once I hit my target right here. I didn't exactly get my full target, but I think I got a 20 cents over. So I probably took a partial right here. Uh Came back up and I just ended up selling all of my shares. As you can see, it was not the greatest idea. I probably shouldn't have took this trade. If I was to take this 10 times, if someone told me to take this trade 10 times, you know, this would be a 3 to 4 out of 10 winner. This is betting against the trend. Not a great trade, honestly. I'm not super proud of this one. I came out green. You know, I got my profits and I just ran, you know. So, in that aspect, it wasn't too bad, but taking a trade like that was not the greatest idea. So taking a look at so if we get a line and put 158.74, 75, I took it about there. I had my stop about $1. So my stop was about here. Gave it some room to move around if necessary. I took it on this candle. On the break of its 170, I think 74 resistance right here. So I got it 1 cent over. Fantastic fill. Had to push up. Waited for closing candle. got a continuation, ended up taking my partial on this candle. Let some shares ride, let some shares ride. Uh, my shares started coming back on me a little bit. It's fine. I just sold them, gave away a little bit of my profits, but came out a little more than $1. I made about $1, so 59.75. My average sell was about here. No. Since I made a little more than $1, because it's 121, it's about right here. So I had an average sell of this. So I must have took my partial higher if it was right here, if it was around this area. But I finished the trade up more than 1 R risk. So this was a great trade. I'm just gonna skip over CCL and then just go to straight to Microsoft because CCL is just a small winner. I mean, small loser. And I just want to make this video short and simple. So we have some resistance on Microsoft about here. We had some support levels about here. Now I took Microsoft 158.58 short. So 158.58 short. So as you can see, I was looking for a breakdown of these candles right here. I noticed that it was under support. Support was acting as a resistance around here. And now I was just anticipating a move lower. I short here. Honestly, this is a little bit early. I really should have just waited for a closing candle under. So, saying this was a trade that broke my rules. This was a trade that was not a part of my plan. Usually, I wait for a closing candle showing me confirmation to the downside, or at least it's breaking this. But I got in early. I know I got in early, and I paid the price by losing $40 on this trade. So not not great. Not great. Could have waited for more confirmation. It was a good idea, but no confirmation. So that's what happens when you guys trade with no confirmation. You get a trade like mine. You get a loser like mine, and that's fine. It was a small loser, no biggie. I took a position on Tesla, 525. Pretty much, I got it 3 cents early, but so I took a position here. Why did I take a position here after it's gone up so much? Well, first off, its resistance, pre-market resistance, is acting as a support level, and I was just putting this in my favor. It kept trending up, broke once, kept trending up, had a small consolidation red bar, and then just started pushing to the upside. I took this position right when I saw 525 being rejected. The bid and the ask were tightening up, and then we got our move. So I was looking for about 10 points on this trade. It started coming up, started coming back down. It started taking some of my profits. I took a partial here around this candle, in this red candle somewhere. But then it came back, bounced, and then had a continuation of its move, and I end up selling the rest of my shares around this candle right here for a $78 profit. So I think I was trading with um I'm not sure how many shares I was trading with, but it wasn't many. But I let my shares ride by taking my partial up here, which was a good partial. I can't believe I don't remember how many shares I took, but yep, those are the 6 trades I took today. Tuesday, March 31st. It's the end of the month. I'm so blessed finishing up the month green. And if you guys want to go join my Discord, I'm going to leave the link down below. It's going to be a free community of like-minded individuals, like-minded traders that like to talk about stocks and learn from each other, give ideas, give trading ideas. So if you guys are interested in that in any way, make sure to hit the link below, join in, and we'll just see you there. But now, to conclude this video, I just want to say thank you for watching it. If you guys found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment that you enjoyed this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post another video. So, yep, that's it. Thanks for watching.